Okay, this is a quick video I want to show you here. A very useful tip that I use all the time now. So with this keyword, this is a Chrome extension that you can install. This is not a paid advertisement or anything. This keyword everywhere, you go online, search for it, and add it as a Chrome extension. And then after this, I use it for YouTube videos. So usually I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and sometimes they're pretty long, and you just need to understand the bullet points, so you don't need to watch the whole thing, especially financing videos. And in this case, I'm gonna be looking at Kevin. I think he's a good guy, making amazing videos about finance, but he spent a lot of time on things that can be said in like 3 minutes. He takes like a video 30 minutes. The views for it. But for us, so before, what you can do is different applications. You could use maybe ChatGPT, you copy the link, or with Google, you copy the link to Gemini, or you can create your own thing. But with having just this Chrome extension is way more easier, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm gonna go inside his channel and just go to the videos. And let's, for example, this one here is Trump confirmed Doge dividend stimulus amount. Okay, you want to know about it, but it's 8 minutes, so you don't want to watch that video. Once you install that extension, you got different options here on the right side. You got use ChatGPT, use Claude, use Gemini. I recommend using Gemini because it's Google built in, so it works better with that, with the new Google tools that they have for the models. So just click on that, and it's gonna open Gemini. Automatically, it's gonna create, put the prompt on it, and it's gonna send it. You see it's connecting to YouTube, and here you go. Here's a summary of the video, 10 bullet points, and then you have it right away. Okay, so you don't have to watch the whole video. You just go to the bullet points, and then you can ask questions about that video if you want to know more information. So pretty useful thing. Even if you don't want to read it, you can then Gemini will speak it for you.
10 bullet points. The IRS is expected to cut 6,000 jobs.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick tips for you here. So I'll see you on the next one.